So, today we're going to make some slime, and this is me and my friend's first video, and we're going to be making slime on this channel. And so, I thought I'd make the first video of just making regular slime. So let's get started. You're going to need a mixing spoon or something, and you're going to need a bowl, you're going to need some glue, you're going to need some contact solution, you're going to need some baking soda, and you're going to need either some food coloring or paint. So let's get started. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get some Elmer's glue. And we're going to pour it in, just a little bit. Just enough of how much you're going to want to play with. I think that's enough. Okay, now we're going to take our paint, and we're just going to take a little bit of it and put it on my popsicle stick, and just going to let that drop in. I'm going to mix that in. Just keep on mixing, just keep on mixing. Okay, so I have mixed it all in. I also added a little bit more just to make it a little bit darker. So now what you're going to do is you're going to open your baking soda and only pour a little bit, about that much. That's about enough. Maybe a little bit less. But just mix that all in. Make sure it's all mixed in, all of the baking soda. Now you're going to take your contact solution, this stuff, and you can get this at Kroger. And I have put mine inside of a little teeny cup. And now I'm just going to pour a little drop of that in. Now I'm going to mix that up. And my slime is going to turn into slime. Do you guys see this? Okay. So now, turning into slime. And you don't want to add too much of the contact solution. So you see how much I added? That's about half of what you're going to add in your whole slime. So now you're going to add like 1 or 2 more drops. Good. Just make sure it gets all mixed in. And you see how it's not sticking onto the bowl anymore? That's when you want to start kneading and mixing your slime a little bit more. Now I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take the popsicle stick and I'm going to start playing with it. Without the popsicle stick. And just make sure that all of the nasty parts go inside, and then you can mix that in. And isn't this slime color really pretty? And I got this color at, I think, Walmart? Yeah. I got it at my Walmart, and we went there and I bought it. So, yeah. And look how pretty of slime that makes. It looks really pretty. Okay, so that's my ending of slime. And what you're going to do after that is you're going to take the bowl, and you see all of this extra slime? You're going to wipe it all off. Okay? And then just wipe it all. And then you can knead that into your slime. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and yeah. So, and I promise I'll get my friend Sarah on the videos soon, And if I didn't tell you, my name is Cece, and thank you for watching. Bye.